This appalling case shows the barbaric use of the death penalty in the United States of America, the USA's patchy compliance with its international obligations, and the impotence of the system of international law, which can be ignored by large nations without consequences. The Legrand brothers, Karl-Heinz and Walter, invite very little sympathy. They were born in Germany, but their mother became ill and they spent time in an orphanage. Their mother recovered and married an American soldier. They were still young children when they were brought to the USA. Their parents divorced in 1973, and by 1978 they had turned to crime. In 1982 they held up a bank in Arizona. It was a hopelessly inept robbery. They demanded the bank manager open the safe, but as a security measure he only knew part of the combination. They stabbed him to death and also stabbed another employee. They were convicted and sentenced to death. Now, the brothers were still West Germans. They had never become American citizens. Under international law, the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations required US authorities to advise the Legrand brothers that they were entitled to consular assistance from West Germany, and to advise the West German authorities that they had arrested 2 West German citizens. The USA did not do this. Diplomatic efforts to stay the executions failed, and in early 1999, Karl was executed. West Germany immediately took action in the International Court of Justice, the ICJ, arguing that because the USA had not followed the rules, the convictions should be overturned. The ICJ issued a provisional order that Walter's execution should be stayed. The state of Arizona then went ahead and executed Walter anyway. Germany continued its case, not that there was much point, and the USA, despite having clearly done the wrong thing, fought the judgment every inch of the way. The court found against the United States across the board. In relation to the stay of execution, the court said, "The court observes that the mere transmission of its order to the governor of Arizona without any comment, particularly without even so much as a plea for a temporary stay, was certainly less than could have been done, even in the short time available." Of course, none of this helped the Legrand brothers, executed by Arizona despite a comprehensive violation of their rights. Neither Arizona nor the USA faced any consequences.